If you need a working NordVPN coupon code, in 2026, stop searching right now. Most coupon sites have expired offers, but I am going to show you how to get NordVPN cheap with a specific trick that actually works. Go to the link in the description and get ready to use code YTSTACK to save a massive amount of money. First, let me quickly explain what you get with this NordVPN discount code. NordVPN is the fastest tool on the market thanks to the NordLynx protocol, which means you can stream 4K video and download files with zero buffering. It is also secure with a strict no logs policy and RAM-only servers that wipe your data on every reboot. Plus, one subscription covers 10 devices at once, so your phone and computer are both protected. Now, let us look at the plans so you do not overspend. The 2-year subscription is the only way to go for the lowest monthly fee. My top recommendation is the basic plan. It is just $3.39 a month and gives you the full high-speed VPN. If you need more security, the Plus plan is $4.39 and adds an ad blocker and malware protection. There is a complete plan for $5.39 with cloud storage, but honestly, the basic plan is usually enough for most people. Here is the most important part to get the best NordVPN coupon code deal. When you click the link below, you will see a standard discount, but you can do better. At checkout, you need to manually enter the exclusive NordVPN promo code YTSTACK. This specific code boosts your discount up to 77% off and adds 4 extra months completely free. That is significantly better than the standard offer you see on the homepage. There is zero risk because every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you do not like it, you get a full refund, no questions asked. So do not wait. Click the link in the description and use code YTSTACK at checkout right now to claim the best NordVPN coupon available. Lock in that 77% discount and your free months before the offer changes.